Then, to start, we have two main topics in this module, and one of them we have already seen before, so it is only a review. Present and past tense revision. The present tense is used to describe actions that are happening now, while the past tense is used to describe actions that have already happened. For example, in present is you live in Spain, in past is you lived in the Spain. The only thing we see is the verb only changes affirmative sentence. In negative sentence and questions, the verb doesn't change. The base form of the infinitive is you. For example, in negative, you don't live in Spain. In interrogative form is do you live in Spain? Now, the second topic is past perfect and past progressive. The past perfect tense is used to describe an action that complete in the past, while the past progressive tense is used to describe an action that was ongoing in the past. To form past tense perfect or past perfect tense, we use had plus past participle. For example, I met them after they had divorced each other, or I had been to London twice by the time I got a job in New York. Now, to form perfect, past progressive tense, we have had been plus verb ing. For example, Sora had to been working here for 2 weeks when she had the accident. And now that's all, guys. I hope you understand very well, and goodbye.